Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. Okay, it's day 6 in our 12 days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways, and boy, have I got a whopper of a prize for you today. But before I get to this, what do you get if you cross a snowman with a vampire? Frostbite. On the 6th day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a brand new composable ring light kit from our friends over at Novamos. That's right, you get the entire kit and caboodle. This ring light is incredibly cool because you might be looking at it thinking, Rick, it looks just like a ring light. What's the big deal? Oh, you'd be so wrong. It's a composable ring light, which means you can certainly use it as a ring light. So if you're a YouTuber and you're creating videos for YouTube, or maybe you're taking pictures of something on the desk, or maybe you're a TikToker and you've got to get your latest dance moves up on TikTok. And now you can see why I'm not dancing on TikTok. Anyway, it's the perfect ring light for all those situations. But its hidden secret feature is the fact that it's composable, which means you can separate those segments and snap them back together in different configurations. So you can create fill lights on your desk in a lot of different forms to sort of light up a product that you're taking a picture of. And they actually include 3 tripods with the kit. 1 tripod, 2 tripods, 3 tripods. I'm sticking with the vampire theme. Anyway, you get the tripods, you get a nice case to hold your accessories, you get a cable that splits the single power supply into 3 different feeds, so you can have 3 fill lights running at the same time. You get a really nice bag to hold the tripod and other accessories. You get the ring light. There's actually a phone holder that snaps in on the ring light. I feel like I'm on the Home Shopping Network. You actually get a tripod and a ball head for the top of it. So everything you need to get started is included with the kit. You can pretty much open up the package, plug it in, and be off and running with a beautiful ring light, or you can reconfigure it if you want to in fill lights. Now, the contest could not be easier to enter. Down below, you'll find a link. If you click that link, it'll come up with a form that asks for your email address and your username on YouTube. Now, the only reason I need that is because if you win the contest, I have to be able to get a hold of you. So what we're going to do is after 7 days, we're going to collect up all the entries. We're going to close our eyes and randomly pick a winner. And then I'm going to send somebody an email saying, hey, good news, you won the composable ring light kit. You're going to send me your address and we're going to send you the product. Now, again, I say this every time. We're not going to keep your email address. There's no strings attached. We don't charge for shipping. There's no shenanigans in the contest. We try to make it as simple as possible. We just love giving products back. And I don't care where in the world you live. We've had a lot of questions about, hey, if I'm outside the US, can I enter the contest? Absolutely. We've shipped products last year to South Korea, to India. We've shipped them all over Europe, all over the planet. Has pretty much gotten a product from us over the last 4 or 5 years of giveaways. So please enter the contest. Matter of fact, you could live in Ireland. Now, I love Ireland. Ireland is a beautiful place. I've been there a bunch of times. The people are gentle. The landscape is beautiful. I mean, it's just a wonderful place to visit if you haven't gone there. My wife is Irish. And after being there a couple of times, I kind of wish I was Irish as well. But anyway, you could live anywhere in the world you want. I hope you live in Ireland, but if you live somewhere else and you win the contest, we'll ship you the product. Now, the only thing I'll add to that is if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I say this every time, there's a little icon down there. Just click that icon and you can join the Drone Valley family. And that way, when a new contest comes up tomorrow, you'll get a little ding on your phone and you'll know, hey, I got to go back to the channel and enter the new contest because I don't want you to miss out on these because I promise you, we got some really cool stuff coming up. One other thing I wanted to show you is you have controls over the ring light. So you can turn it on like that, and then you have control over the temperature, so that's bright, that's dimmer, and that's warm. And you also have control over the brightness. So there's really, really bright right there. Oh my goodness, that bright light is in my eyes. Okay, that's enough of the vampire for today. I'm just having a lot of fun with these clips. Anyway, I hope you're enjoying them. We have a bunch more coming, plus that mystery box at the end. So please tune in again tomorrow. And I promise you, I'll try not to be as silly, but I can't promise anything. Anyway, that's it for today. So until tomorrow, happy flying.